Now cutting across to Karnataka. Karnataka, we're looking at a shocker from a hospital in Kalaburgi. Several pigs were seen roaming around inside a COVID-19 hospital in Karnataka's Kalaburgi hospital, exposing the state's crumbling infrastructure, reeling under this COVID surge in the state. Karnataka Health Minister has now said that all the pigs around the hospital have been caught and relocated. Congress MLA Priyank Kharge, in the meanwhile, has said that the issue must be condemned. He's also condemned the issue, saying that Kalaburgi doesn't have a city cooperation commissioner since a week now. And unfortunately, this isn't the sole incident. A few weeks ago, a video from Ballari where mass burials of patients who died due to COVID-19 also went viral. Karnataka, in the meanwhile, continues to witness a surge in COVID-19 cases. In just the last 24 hours, 4,537 new coronavirus cases were reported and at least 93 deaths were reported in the state.
It's very unfortunate that the administration is taken this so lightly. This shows that the seriousness with which they are handling this crisis, especially since the first COVID death in the country happened in Kalaburgi. People would have thought that there are a lot of lessons that we can teach other districts or other states. Okay. But unfortunately, it looks like there have been no lessons learned. Okay. And I have seen the hospital, the aisle which they are walking on. It's just not like it's on the main road. You know, it is inside. Okay. It's inside the hospital. So I don't know how pigs and piglets are going inside the aisle of the hospital where the corona patients are there. And the minister is not bothered about the district. Everybody is interested in Bangalore only. Everybody wants to become a Bengaluru corona minister. Nobody is interested in the rest of the state.
Let's cut across to Nolan Pinto joining us live from Bengaluru to give us an insight on the situation currently. Nolan, Karnataka, they're reporting a surge in COVID-19 cases. It's upsetting as it is, Bengaluru being the epicenter there for Karnataka. But we're looking at districts there being neglected. We saw Kalaburgi, the situation where pigs are entering the hospital. And what's worse is the government not pulling up the authorities there, but instead pulling up the pig farm owner. The pig farm owner will be, a complaint has been raised against a pig farm owner. I mean, this is ridiculous. There's no cooperation commissioner. The city cooperation commissioner is lacking in Kalaburgi district as well. Take us through the details.
Well, Nabila, this is a complaint that has often been heard that the state government is only focusing on Bengaluru because of the surge in cases. But that's not to say that other districts are not suffering. In fact, Kalaburgi itself has close to 1,000 active cases. They also have a large number of deaths. In fact, people should remember that the first COVID-19 death took place in Kalaburgi itself, beginning of March. So with all this happening, people are extremely miffed with the government only focusing on Bengaluru. Furthermore, like you rightly mentioned, they do not have a corporation head. A municipal corporation head is missing for the past 1 week. So when the state is suffering from COVID-19 cases, a surge in COVID-19 cases, the fatality is increasing, the mortality in fact. And over here in Kalaburgi, where we have seen pigs in the hospital, there is no corporation head. So this is the state of affairs over there. Priyank Kharge clearly has actually blamed the government, saying that no one is interested in districts. Everyone wants to be something in Bengaluru itself. So hopefully the government, now yes, they've taken action, but action against the pig owner, not the authorities, not the civic authorities, not the hospital authorities, but the pig owner.
Right, Nolan, unfortunate there that authorities don't think it's fit to pull up officials and those within the hospital who's guarding it, they should be questioned. A pig owner instead is going to be fined. Absolutely unfortunate. Let's hope Karnataka bucks up soon enough. We're looking at a rise in number of cases. Nolan, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.